Welcome to the Blackmagic 4K cinema camera, special care, and using AC power on the camera. When using AC power on the camera, it's important to understand that there's a special rosette pin and the cable that's in the kit, and we're going to need to attach this right to the AC power line that's right here on the side of the camera. So how do we do that? What we want to do is notice that the pin has multiple pin points in it, and the power goes right into here. So what I recommend doing is lining up. There's a top little pivot point there, and there's a little line point right here. You can also do it by spinning around, and it will engage. So there's basically two pin points, and there's two pin points there. So if you look at it, we want them to line up. So then what we do is we will just go and click it in here, and we'll hear a little click. So we've attached the cable. So to remove the cable, we need to actually grab the top part, and it won't just pull out. So we have to grab the top part, and we want to slide it towards us. So it's like a bit of a slide towards us, and then it comes out. Now how that works is, let's have a real close look at this. So to remove the cable, once again, we're actually sliding it like so and then pulling it out of the camera. So be careful when you're using the AC power on this camera, because it does need to get pulled out, as I just demonstrated, with the rosette pin sliding towards you. Then it gets removed from the camera, versus it cannot just be yanked out of the camera. And that's it. Thanks again. Well, you can watch more of our tutorials at the YouTube channel. It's available via our website, tbmcs.ca. Thanks. Take care.